Oh, it really hurt. That was on my like soft. What's that bit on your head that's soft? Hi, good morning guys, welcome. Just wanted to film a little day in my life. Obviously we're in isolation and I am an extrovert. I've learned, I think. Well, I'm an extrovert, but I like to have from 9 o'clock in the evening onwards my own time. Very specific type of extrovert. But for the most part I get my energy from other people. I have been going a little stir crazy in this isolation because I just miss human interaction, like everyone. I know that everyone's in the same boat. Normally, BC, before COVID, I would have been up and at 'em already, and I have been sometimes during COVID. Let's go and shower. Are you ready? Aye aye, Captain. I can't hear you.
Aye aye, Captain.
Treatment, but my forehead spots have seemed to calm down, so I was doing it morning and evening, but now I'm just going to leave it for evening. Obviously going to put on some deodorant there with. I always feel like I'm Amanda Seyfried whenever I've got a towel on in the scene in Mamma Mia where she's like getting ready and she's brushing her teeth, getting ready for the wedding. And then I'm just going to put on, I mix my moisturiser, the Glossier SPF 30. It's like one of the only sun creams you can't actually feel on your skin. It's great. I've had so many face sun creams, it just feels so gross on my skin. Skincare done. Right, let's get changed. I am the queen of the eggs. That's me. You ready for the greatest outfit you've ever seen in your life? During isolation, I have solely been wearing comfortable clothes, like most of my life anyway. But I've really taken it to a whole nother level and basically started dressing like I'm 11 again. So comfy, you wouldn't even believe it. I feel my comfiest when I'm in a t-shirt and comfy shorts. I just feel so free and at one with the earth. Hi, we're in the car because I basically did a massive clean out of my room yesterday. So I need to go to the clothes bank. You just pop off all your clothes, you don't have to interact with anyone. Also, I've just been loving being in my car. Low tires. Oh, I hate. This is when I get so stressed. I don't know all the car things. I've got a light on down there, that light on, that light on. It will last like 2 minutes, right? Should I just do it anyway? Let's go and hope for the best. The reason I love being in my car so much is it reminds me of normality. You've got the radio on, you feel like you're going somewhere, it's just to the clothes bank. Also, this weather is giving me such summer vibes. I love it. This big old bag, that was a full-on workout. Trying to shove that big bag of clothes up in that thing was a whole ordeal. Anyway, let's go home and have some brekkie. This weather's got me in the best possible mood. I'm vibing it so much. It feels like I'm on holiday, although I'm not. I'm home now. Honestly, how nice does the sun feel?
It's beautiful.
It feels like summer. This avocado basically wasn't ripe, so I left it in the sun 2 days ago. It does feel a bit riper, but I'm just going to cut this off and have some. Cut that bit off and look, it's ripe and ready to go.
I am CEO of telling the most boring stories. Why did I even need to tell you about my avocado?
I get to make an iced coffee. I'm so excited because I have this new cup, which I want to make someone iced coffee, but obviously I don't like them. So they'll make one for Chloe and I'm so excited. Whenever I ask, normally no one wants one. I get to do a coffee montage as if I'm a coffee person, but I'm not. Ready? Look how pretty that looks. How cute is this cactus? It's got loads of flipping flowers on it. I've been doing work all morning and it's just before lunchtime, so I'm going to quickly whip up some cookies. Basically, the other day I was using a spot treatment for my forehead and I got a bit on my nose and it's like peeled all my skin and it really hurts and it looks like I'm sunburned, but actually it's not sunburn, it is chemical burn. Anyways, I'm gonna make these cookies now. You can probably guess what recipe it is. Even though I've tested so many, I always go back to my fave. Loving it vegan, you know it, guys. Yeah. Onwards and upwards with the cookies. Okay, the cookies are in the oven, getting ready to rock and roll. I just, honestly, the summer vibes are making me
so happy, but then it's like, but wait, you can't go out in the sun. But it's fine, because at least it's sunny. Okay, the cookies are done, and now it's time to make some lunch. I don't care what you say, open top sandwiches are superior to all sandwiches, okay? You want that open top. Yeah, it's more of a challenge to eat, but who doesn't need a little tiny challenge in isolation just to keep you on your toes? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, lovely, delicious, fantastic. We're gonna eat it al bistro. What do you call this? Al fresco. We're gonna have it al fresco. But now I'm gonna do some.
So want to put this in your face.
Don't do that. Right, so my mum really struggles with sleeping. She finds it really hard to sleep, and I'm always trying to find things that will help her. And I found this thing by Neon, which is called the Perfect Night's Sleep Magnesium Body Butter, and apparently you put it all over you and it helps you sleep. So I'm gonna get it for her as a little present. But I am obsessed with like skincare at the moment. I just want to buy it. There are just so many nice things out there. Getting ready to go on a walk because I'm not getting anything done. You know, one of those days when you're really unproductive.
Yeah. I'm having one.
The only problem is these shorts don't have pockets. Why don't more clothes have pockets? I need to take tissue because I don't like holding things because I keep getting nosebleeds. I just got back from the walk and it is, oh how exciting. And it was a fat walk. It was, we got a little bit, I don't know if we got lost or not.
Yeah.
That's my puppy. And I've just come back to a delivery. This is exciting. I don't know if you watched my vlog where I did vegan eating for a week in the summer. You know, in the winter. Winter, doesn't that seem like a distant memory, the winter?
Oh my goodness, what was cold? Did we wear coats?
Yeah, we really did.
No.
Yeah, for real. And I'm Squeaky Bean, it's even a branded box. She's got my life hack.
This isn't your life hack.
That's my life hack.
So many people do that.
No, buddy. So Squeaky Bean is a vegan company. Oh my gosh, I've got so much stuff. I've even got the Rocky Road from that, remember, from the Conscious Candy Company. I loved that.
Did you?
Yeah, that's so, look at these. These are all vegan. Jessie is gonna be so jealous.
Kimchi.
Kimchi?
That looks really nice.
Look, wait.
You need to do a Korean food video.
This. You clearly don't watch my videos because I've actually done one, okay? This is really good for your gut. We've got the pancakes. These are what I had.
I just think of Faye every time I see those.
They're so good. They're these like, what would she say?
Banging.
That's banging. We've got some vegan fish fingers, some ham slices. Obviously they're all vegan. Pastrami, chicken kebab style. Apparently these are the best.
Banging.
These are like the best nuggets ever.
They do look nice actually.
And then we've got some plant burgers as well. And what's this? Oh, that looks like bougie oat milk. Look at that. Get a load of that. Thank you, Squeaky Bean. Squeaky. I just want to try this kimchi. Literally, I just didn't expect it to be this hot today. It's really hot and it's May. What the dickens is going on? I'm so perplexed. Currently on my way to pick up some flour. Our friends have found some plain flour for me. The best people ever. So I'm gonna go and collect it from them and I'm buzzing because we literally had this much plain flour left. I've managed to make it last by using oat flour and other stuff. I have some of these tea bags for cold infused watermelon, strawberry and mint. So I'm going to do that, but the key with these are a bit of lime or lemon and mint. I've been bitten, which is not acceptable. Chloe and I were just discussing how sensitive our skin is. I literally have my knees on the grass and now they're all red. You know, you see those people? I know. Those people on like Instagram and they're just tanned and look like they don't even have any hair.
But I think that's the key, they're on Instagram.
So true, Chloe. You know when they're in like Mykonos and they're on those stairs into the sea? Well, they're not right now, are they? They're all home. Everyone's home. They're all by
apart from the people that live in Mykonos.
I wonder what's happening in the Four Seasons right now.
Oh, lush.
No, because it won't be open. But then do the staff get to stay there? So many questions. I would like to know that actually.
Ask them.
Anyone work for Four Seasons want to help me? Because I just need that answer. I was talking about the Four Seasons Mauritius, but if you work in any of the other Four Seasons, I don't know what my fascination is with the Four Seasons, but I just think it's because I've always seen it on like Instagram and stuff. Again, Instagram do be affecting me. That is summer vibrations. Impeccable, actually. Cheers. Exquisite. You know they show their love by licking. Come here. And I just would love to do it back to her one time, but sometimes I just like to sit and mimic what she does because she gets a little bit freaked out, which I don't know if that's mean or not. Like, it's just fun sitting right next to her. Oh, darling, oh, so cute. Good morning, Baltimore. How are we today? We're going to start off today with some poppages. And these, my good friend Nautical bought me this, and I'm buzzing because if you saw the TikTok food video, I made some pancake cereal and they remind me of poppages that she made for me once. It's from Holland and they're like these little pancakes that you dust them with ice and sugar. I'm really excited to try them. I've been thinking about them all night. Also, update on the old nose. It's getting worse. It's peeling even more. Yeah, I got given plain flour and a self-raising flour and I'm so happy because we only had this much plain flour left. And this right here, petit pois. That's not even for, that's honestly, that's not even enough for a cake, is it? Let's make some poppages. Also the weather, weird, right?
Yeah, it's not supposed to be as hot today.
But I feel claustrophobic in my clothes. I don't like what I'm wearing. I don't want to now say it again, I love whisking together dry ingredients. It is so satisfying. Little tiny bit burnt, but we're new here, you know? I think I did it. They actually look like them. I need to try one. Hang on. This is fantastic. Oh my gosh. I love trying foods from elsewhere. Okay, ready? Fantastic. I feel so weird, honestly. Like one day, I'm fine just living my life making a caramelised non-seed honey tart. And then the next minute I'm in a pile on the floor. And I just really connect to that because I feel like I am done with Zooms. I think for an extrovert, what happens is, obviously I find my energy from social interaction. I think Zoom and things like that is so draining because it's like you have to stay really with it, especially if there's a group of people. Like you have to know the social etiquette of when to speak, when not to speak. It's like when I get off Zoom, normally if I've been with people I'm like hyped and I've got the energy, but then Zoom I don't, because I haven't actually had that physical don't know what I can and can't do. Can I go for a socially distant walk with my friend? No one actually knows. I just don't like it. But at the same time, I'm healthy. Like, oh gosh, it's an emotional roller coaster. I think that's okay. We just need to learn to go with vibrations. Do you know what I mean? I don't know what the new rule is for supermarket. Like, can I go to a supermarket now, even if it's not essential? Oh gosh, I'm just trying to do my best. Anyway, I think I'm actually going to treat myself to some pizza for lunch. The thing is, Papa John's doing this one which is like a breakfast pizza with like beans and stuff. But then I don't know how I feel about that. I've been waiting for a pizza for so long and I haven't had takeaway in so long. And then I get that and it's not good. That will just push me over the edge. Just as I start importing footage on my camera, the pizza comes! How long have we been craving pizza for, Chloe?
Quite a while.
It's been like...
vegan.
She's even put eyeshadow on. I'm joking, that's not right. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells insane. Okay, here we go. Oh my word. Gorgeous. It's everything I've ever wanted. I just... Oh.
Yours is smaller than this.
It's exquisite.
Only thing I'd say about Papa John's.
Go on.
Too doughy.
Oh, you should have got a thin crust. I did ask.
Oh.
Look at mine. Mine's thin.
Yeah, I know.
But Domino's is thick, boy.
No, I don't like it.
I thought Domino's was your favourite.
I don't know.
So, we've just had our pizza. Honestly, pizza makes the whole situation feel a bit better, doesn't it? Just brings a little bit of joy, a little bit of normality. Look at this girl. Animals as well. I mean, obviously I would love a miniature long-haired dachshund. Oh, hello. I just really want some ducks or chicks or chickens or...
It's not gonna happen.
You know, when we moved in here, down the bottom of the garden, you see those? They had mini pygmy goats, and they said we could keep them, but Mum didn't want them. To think that I could be just living it up with some goats right now. Hi. Who's that? I don't even know, it's so windy, what the heck? Sun is shining.
In the sky.
No! Sun is shining. He doesn't even watch my vlogs anymore. He moves out and he just... No! Back from a socially distanced walk with the brother. So now I think it's time to crack out the paint by numbers. I've been waiting a long time, but basically the weather outside is giving me some holiday vibes in Cornwall. It's like windy but lovely and sunny. See, I feel alive today. Yesterday I was just not feeling myself, but I think as soon as I know that I've got pizza and I've managed to socially distance Jessie, it's fantastic. Look, found my paint by numbers. Isn't that beautiful? The colours, the vibes. This is getting me through. This is where I want to be. Get me on holiday, people, and get me to the beach. Right, I'm gonna go and do myself a paint by numbers, okay? Quite frankly, I'm living my best life. I've got grapes, and I've been doing my paint by numbers. Can you see this? Also, I've realised weather really just tops my spirits up. It just takes me to a solid 10 out of 10. I mean, before I was hovering at an 8.5, and we can't have 8.5s here. That took me right down to a 9.5. Very happy. Hi.
Hello. Nice to see you.
Hi guys, we're preparing dinner now. Tell them.
Yeah, on half term. Let the games begin.
They're having these spicy burgers.
Scotch bonnet burgers.
Which I'm not really a burger gal. I'm gonna use squeaky beans nugs. See those nuggets? Sensational. Absolutely sensational. Dad, Mr. Anti-Fake Me, what do you think? You wouldn't know.
I think you'd know, but actually,
They're good.
they are quite good. Yeah, that is quite a thing.
Dad actually went as far to say the other day that those vegan nuggets were almost better than a chicken nugget because they're really crisp on the outside. And then I made him a like doner kebab wrap with the vegan doner meat, and it was so good. Honestly, thanks Squeaky Bean, you've made Dad's day. He would never normally eat vegan fake meat, so you've really converted him. Currently how far I've gone on the paint by numbers. I'm about to run myself a bath. So we just had youth, we're doing it all on Zoom. I'm about to have a bath. This is what I splurged on for the video the other day. And it's the Fresh bath and shower gel, and it's so nice. And the thing is, I'm just so into like nice skincare at the moment. There's that one product that I really want, the Laura Mercier bath stuff. But the thing is, I don't know what smell I would like. I think they have like 3 flavours. They have the fig one, they have the honey one. But you know what? It so totally comes from social media. You know when you see things on social media, like I've seen so many people posting at the moment with the little honey stick. And then I get why people are called influencers, because it's like, they influence me. Like I wouldn't have known about that and wouldn't have cared for that product, but they've influenced me to want that. And I totally get why they're called influencers. They're influencing. Same with clothes. I normally would be fine, and then I see someone on Instagram and they look really cool in their outfit, and I'm like, you're influencing me to want that outfit. It's crazy, the power of the influencer, I tell you. And I have a bath now, so I think that's the end of the vlog. It's really been an emotional roller coaster. I don't actually think I vlogged yesterday when I wasn't myself. That would just be not fun. Peace out, love you all loads. Exes and the uh-ohs, they haunt you, but like uh-ohs, they want you.